I'm Darshan Shankar, the Vice Chancellor of Transdisciplinary University. The university is a member of the Biodiversity Collaborative. This is an evolving network of institutions engaged in biodiversity. They are non-government, government, and individuals who are involved in this initiative. And we are currently engaged in designing a biodiversity initiative, multifaceted, that is sponsored by the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Prime Minister Office. And this initiative is trying to design a program for linking conservation, sustainable use of biodiversity for human well-being. The beautiful photograph that you sent me is of the Hibiscus sinensis species. The hibiscus is a genus. It has many species in it. Even lady's finger is part of the hibiscus genus or genera. This particular species, Hibiscus sinensis, is used. It originated from actually China and may have come into India in the 15th or 16th century. That's a testimony to Indo-Chinese cooperation during that period. In China, they use it for polishing shoes, and that's why it's called shoe flower. In India, we have discovered its uses for two central purposes. The first is for improving mensuration, and the second purpose is for hair growth. Like Hibiscus sinensis, there are around 6,500 species of medicinal plants used by the communities in India. This is a very large number. And many people are not aware that 40 to 70% of the forest flora is really plants which have been discovered for their medicinal values. One major initiative in this design that we are developing is to launch a citizens portal, an interactive citizens portal on medicinal plants. This portal will give information on plants available in every taluka, town, city, state, region of India.